Hey everyone, welcome to How to Surf YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to optimize Windows 11 for gaming. So please follow along with me till the very end because you don't want to miss any step, any method I'll show you in this video. So please follow along and watch this video till the very end. And now, without wasting any second, let's jump right into the video. Okay, the first step is to right click on this PC and tab right click and then go to properties. If you have Windows 10, go to properties here, and here in properties what you need to do is to tab on advanced system settings, and here in advanced system settings please go to performance, visual effects, processor and memory usage. Please tab on settings, and here this is probably what you have. That's the default when you install Windows 11 or 10, but please tab on custom and only enable smooth edges of screen fonts and show thumbnails instead of icons. Now it's up to you. If you want to enable more, uh, you could, but those are the only ones that I prefer to leave turned on, because without are really it's really you're missing out. Like for instance, the thumbnails I think are really important to see the thumbnails, and all of the smoothness edges, it's also important. So please tap on apply and okay. Startup and recovery, you can turn off this, and here change to 5. Now depends on you, but you can leave this on as well, or you can turn it off. I'll turn it off. And system protection, here configure, you could disable this because it takes a lot of memory from your computer. You can leave it on as well, depends on you. It's up to you, it's your decision, but as I said, I'm just trying to show you here the best way to optimize your computer, your Windows 11 for gaming. Apply and okay, and okay. Okay, the next step is to right click on your desktop, and now please select personalize, and here please, so you have this, you have personalization, that's what we selected, but here in personalization please select colors, and that's very important here to turn off transparency effects. So I know it looks better maybe with transparency effects, but really the visual effects and the the animations really make Windows 11 better, but the this really use your system resources, so it will really make your computer slower. So that's why I suggest anyone to turn off transparency effects. It looks good without, so that's fine. Okay, the next step is to right click on Windows logo, and here tab on settings, and here in settings let's go to apps, and here we have, and here disable apps that will start when you power your computer. Another way is to right click on Windows logo and select run, and here in this right fig. This is another method to increase the performance. Okay, and we have here startup, and those are the only apps and programs that will open when I power off my computer. So if there's any apps like for this one, Skype and Cortana, I really suggest you to disable. And if we are here in system configuration, you can also select here 5 if it's 30, and I think that's fine, that's enough. And the next step is to right click on Windows logo and select settings, and here in settings select apps, and here we have our apps. Please select installed apps, and here look for the app that you don't want to run in the background. So if you don't want to have an app that will run in the background, what you need to do is to select the app. So let's see, app, let's say this one, Xbox. You need to tab on the three dots right there and select advanced options, and here in advanced options, here you should see background apps permissions. Let this app run in the background, and if it's selected on always, please select never, and here just look through the apps that you want to don't want to run in the background. So look through every app, okay, not for every app, but for the app that you don't want to run in the background. For instance, this one. Alright, okay, actually, and if you see softwares, apps that you don't use, please just uninstall them. For instance, I don't really use a lot Brave. I used to use it. I used to use Brave often, but I I stopped using it. So just delete the app. You don't have to use it. You don't have to leave it there, you know. Alright, if you don't use this, let's to install Cortana, advanced options, and never. Alright, so please go through all the apps, or go through the apps that you know you don't want to leave them you don't want to leave them in the background. You don't want to have them in the background. Next step right now is to tab here, and here write power plan. Please select edit power plan, and here, this is very important change. If you want more FPS, and here please select power option, and here for you probably is selected, probably you have power saver, so you probably have it as this for default, but please here, instead of power saver, please select high performance. Will favor its performance, but may use more energy. If you go to change advanced power options, you can see in processor power management is 100 and Maximus is 100. Okay, now let me show you the next method to increase FPS and in performance when you play games. Is very important, this one as well. So right click on Windows logo, and here please select settings, and here in settings you need to select storage, and here it is very important, will really give you more FPS. Here you have installed apps, other people,
other and temporary files. Do you need to wait here a couple of seconds? Depends on your computer. Now please select temporary files, and here system error memory dump files. Enable, check. You can check download as well. You have some files that you rather leave there. Please don't select downloads, but if you want to delete, okay, just enable. Okay, and here, after you are sure you want to delete all those files, I mean the most important ones are downloads, I think. So yeah, downloads are the most important ones. Now just select remove files. Or the selected files under that will be permanently deleted, wherein this includes the
downloads file. Please tab on continue. Now purging Windows upgrade log files. Please do this as well. This will increase FPS. Okay, now we need to enable a setting that will automatically remove your storage. Your unnecessary files will automatically be removed. So please now go to settings. Please follow along with me and do all the steps that I'm showing you. Please do so. And here, go to storage. So make sure you're in system and storage. And here, instead of going to temporary files, selecting temporary files, please go to storage sense, automatically free up space, delete temporary files, and manage locally available cloud content. So please tap on it, And here we have automatic user content cleanup. Storage sense runs when the disk is low. We clean up enough spare to help your system run its best. So please enable this during low free, every day, every month. Delete files, okay. You can, here it's up to you to select what you want. And here just please select toggle this button on, and also select when the files will be deleted. Okay guys, now the next step is to go, and here in the search button please write defragment. This is very important utility here, because if you really want to if you like your system to run faster, you just need to optimize your drive. So that's why select the drive and tap on optimize, and after also you need to schedule optimization. Also it probably for you is set as default run on schedule and is turned off. Please turn on, and also select frequency and increase task per server. Okay, choose, and also wait to optimize the drive, right? Well, let me show you the next method to improve your performance. So when Windows, so when you restart your PC, Windows 11 will restart the background apps. So, and this will run in the background. So that was prior to restarting, and this will run in the background. So that's what you need to do in this case is very simple. Okay, and here is search settings, and here in settings please select accounts, and here in accounts please select sign in options, and please disable automatically save my restartable apps and restart them when I'm signed back in. So automatically save my restartable apps and restart them when I signed back in. So if it's turned off, please toggle off this button. Please do so, that's very important as well. Okay, the next step, let's go back to settings, and here what you need to do is select system, and here in system select notifications. Those annoying notifications not only are annoying, but can really take up some storage, some performance from your computer. So please turn off notifications. Okay, select here which one you like to leave on and which one you like to turn off. Okay, so yeah, it's up to you. Please select exactly which one you like to leave. And the next step, and also is very important, to update Windows 11 as well. And in order to update Windows 11, you need to go to settings and then Windows Update, and here check for updates and download and install. As you can see, I have one available here. So that's it guys for today. That's the tutorial on how to improve performance, how to improve Windows 11 performance for gaming. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Take care.